Hello everyone, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddie coming to you live right here in sunny South Florida. And you know, no matter where Mr. Sunshine goes, no matter what he does, things are always taking place. And right now, what we're working on right now is 3 coin-operated commercial washer and dryers. And as you can see, these particular models have the Medeco locking system inside there. It's a nightmare. You know, normally they have the green walled with the long round tubular key, but this particular model has the Medeco cylinder in it. And what we have to do is we have to get these open. You can see now that one has the Medeco cylinder. We'll be working on that one here in just a few minutes. But we just finished this one here, and what you have to do, this is a job. You have to get rid of the little round ring that's in there. As a matter of fact, we'll show you exactly what it's all about. Got to move my glasses out of the way. What we have right here, this is the ring that has to come out of there. It's a hardened steel ring, drill resistant. And what you do is you normally line it up with the key, put it in, and turn the key, and it opens up. Well, without the key and it being a Medeco cylinder, you got some serious problems. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to actually show you here. We actually drilled it. You want to drill directly through the top keyway, and you're going to have to use some Bosch cement bits or something like that. And now that we got it, we actually drilled it through. Let this drill spin a little bit, and what it does, it opens it up. So what you can see, there's all the coins. What it does is it pulls off the back screw here, which is actually the cam, and then it drops down. This is the locking mechanism right here. It's actually on a cam, so it locks on all 4 sides. So that's how you open it up here today with Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddie. Pick up that phone at 561-693. Hey, look at this. You gotta love it, huh? You gotta love it. Pick up the key, 561-693-8636, and start living that sunny South Florida lifestyle today.